Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to install brake lever protector. So try to purchase a good one, that is the metal one. I have purchased the metal one and it is completely made up of aluminum alloy. So let's see how I can able to install the brake lever protector in my bike. So all the accessories are provided. First of all, you have to remove the handlebar screw. After that, you have to select the left one or right one accordingly, and you have to just install as shown in the video. You have to realign as per requirement. So friend, after installations it is looking amazing, and you have to realign as I have already stated earlier. So this type of brake lever protector protects you during any accidental damages. It will protect the brake lever and the clutch lever, along with it will also protect your hand during any type of accidental cases. So try to purchase a metal one as I have already stated you earlier, and the color as per requirement of your bike. If you have red bike, then purchase the red one. If you have green bike, then purchase the green one. And it also enhance the look of your bike. You can see friend, so it is looking amazing. The position or the lever position, as per lever position you have to adjust it. So I think all of you have liked this video friends.